Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to request for your MTN mobile money statement. So if you want to request for your statement, then this particular video is for you. So open your dialer and dial the MoMo USSD code *170#, and select next. That's hash. Next. Then select option 6, my wallet. Yeah. So in here, there are a lot of options in here. Select the fifth option, that's statements. So select option 5, statements. Yeah. So there are lots of options in here. We have statement request, my agent merchant statement. So select statement request. That's option 1. Select 1, statement request. And you enter in your MoMo PIN. So you enter in your MoMo PIN. So in here, enter in a valid email address. So the email address that you want to receive the statement, enter in the email address. So let me enter in an email address in here. So enter in the email address again to confirm. So in here, if you want your MoMo statement within the last 7 days, last 30 days, or maybe for 6 months option, then so let me select specific dates. Or if you want a specific date, you can do that. Let me select specific date. So then you realize I've been given a format to follow. So I've been given a format to follow. So as you can see, the format that I'm supposed to follow. So let's say the start date, first, maybe July. So 1, that's the day, and the month, July 7th, and the year 2025. So that's the start date. And same applies to the end date. Okay, same applies to the end date. So let me make the end date. Okay, 7th August 2025. Yeah. And tap on the send. And confirm. So confirm your number and make sure everything is intact. So confirm. Yeah, so that's it. So after you have confirmed, you'll be getting a message like this. And in a minute or so, your MoMo statement will be sent to you via email. Yeah.